man mola tunu o mai mo mai se fa po bonga lo po kala po po mano le fanga lo foi la tolo mai mo mai lunga o ala lunga le Facebook on YouTube. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another edition of the only in-house trivia game show in Samoa, presented to you by TV5, your happy channel. I'm joined here by Team ASCD and Team Swipe Right for their go at Po Po Mano'o. Ladies and gentlemen, you know how this game goes. We're gonna jump straight into our first round. The round is the toss-up rounds. The toss-up rounds is basically a race to the buzzer. The first team to press the buzzer and answer the question correctly is awarded with 10 points. However, if you answer incorrectly, the opposing team is given the chance to steal 5 points. There are no penalties for incorrect answers, so press the buzzer at your own risk and you might be rewarded accordingly. Ladies and gentlemen, your first question for Team Toss-Up. Number 1. What is the motto written on the government of Samoa seal? Swipe it right. One more time. I didn't. It is correct. That is 10 points for your team, sir. Congratulations, but we are far from over. Your second question. What is the name of the longest river in South America? ASCD. Amazon. It's correct! That's 10 points for your team, ASCD. Your next question. In what book of the Bible can you find the Lord's Prayer? In what book of the Bible can you find the Lord's Prayer? Swipe it right.
Matthew.
Is correct. The book of Matthew or Matthew is correct. That is 10 points for your team. Off to a great start. Right, toss-up round. Your next question. How many medals did Samoa win at the 2022 Commonwealth Games? Swipe it right.
5.
It's correct. Oh, your reaction is all right. The next question. What is the common name of the fruit they call ulu Africa in Samoa? ASCD. 3, 2 is incorrect. And now we know how this goes. We give to the opposing team the chance to steal 5 points. All right, Tracy and your team.
Chatfruit?
Chatfruit is also incorrect. Correct answer is a durian. A durian is the name of the fruit. All right, the next question is a special question. It is a sponsored question. Digicel is sponsoring the correct answer for this question with 20 tawa worth of Digicel top-up, the fastest mobile network in Samoa, so you don't want to miss out on your chance to experience such fast internet speeds. The question reads as follows. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? France. It's correct! Oh, the confidence in that first. Yes, it is France. Fun fact, actually, the Statue of Liberty was built in France. It was disassembled and shipped over to America and was rebuilt on Liberty Island in New York City. That's a little fun fact for you watching from home. The next question for our teams. Who wrote the first 5 books of the Old Testament?
Moses.
Is correct! That is very, very correct. There's a lot of theories about who actually wrote the Genesis book, because there's no eyewitness. I mean, Moses wasn't around. So there's a lot of theories around that online. Some people speculate that he was given visions from the Lord, but I don't want to say too much. Let's move on to the next question. Number 8. What are the last names of the 2 rival families in Romeo and Juliet? Romeo and Juliet. Year 13 English IA. Romeo and Juliet, the 2 rival families.
Just guess. Don't you want to guess?
Popcorn.
Just guess.
Was it popcorn? Did I hear?
No.
Was it Capricorn? And that is time. Unfortunately, none of the teams have answered the question. The answer is the Montague and the Capulets. That those are the 2 families, the 2 rival families, Romeo and Juliet. So whoever, if you're year 13 and you're watching, that is a little information for you and prep for your IA. Your next question for both our teams. What is the name of the small island between Mano'o and Apolima? Swipe it right.
Nopa.
You swapped yourself 10 points for your team. Congratulations, Charles. All right. The last question for the team toss-up rounds. Your last chance to earn 10 points for your team through this round. What's the name of the artist with such hits as Summer of '69 and Everything I Do? Swipe it right.
Bryan Adams?
Tracy, congratulations, you earned your team 10 points. That is the conclusion for our team toss-up round. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be back with our individual toss-up rounds. Your attempt at individual toss-up. So it is up to you to make points for your team.
Ready.
No pressure. So it's just you two. Alright, your question, Charles and Toa. In what country does the movie Mamma Mia take place? ASCD.
Croatia.
Is incorrect. You want me to finish the question for you, Charles?
Yeah, sure.
A, Italy, B, France, or C, Greece?
C.
Greece is correct. That is 5 points for your team. All right. Thank you very much to Oa and Charles. Can we have our next individual toss-up? Who is Queen Elizabeth II's eldest child? Queen Elizabeth II's eldest child. A lovely bald head, yes?
Prince Charles.
Is correct! You earned yourself 10 points. Congratulations, Robati. Last individuals for this round, individual toss-up.
Oh my god.
We got Arietta and Tracy. Arietta and Tracy, are you ready for your question? If not, here it goes. What American city is known as the Big Apple? Swipe it right.
New York.
New York is correct! Oh, killer. Swipe it right with the killer on this toss-up round. The last individual toss-up round, I asked both teams to bring the strongest link to represent them for their chance to earn 10 points. Yes, Toa, back for redemption, and Tracy from Team Swipe It Right. Your question is, what song featured in the film White Chicks made Vanessa Carlton a one-hit wonder?
Wait, you're confusing me.
Oh no! That is time. I'm so sorry to all. Tracy.
I know the I don't know the words.
Well, how unfortunate for our team division today. The answer for this question is 1,000 miles. And I need you. And that is it for Po Po Mano'o's toss-up rounds, ladies and gentlemen. We'll be back with more rounds on Po Po Mano'o. Talofa, ladies and gentlemen, we're back with the next round of Po Po Mano'o, the round that is nga nga. I have the item within my hand. The first team to hide the item will be Team Swipe It Right, while me and Team ASCD will have the comfort of guessing whose hand and which player has the item. Team ASCD, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. To all with the confidence, okay, to all, I'm going to give you the luxury of going first. Who is your first guess?
The middle, that hand, this one. That.
Left side.
Left side.
Alright, Roboti, can I see your left hand for mullet? Is incorrect. Alright, that is one guess gone. Your next guess from Team ASCD?
Is it Charles, right?
Yeah. Charles.
Charles' right hand.
Charles, your right hand is also incorrect. Alright, that's two guesses gone. 4 hands up in the air.
PJ, you got this.
Your offer is left hand.
PJ, have you earned your team 20 points? Your left hand for mullet, your offer? Yes. It's incorrect. That is 3 guesses gone. Alright, now if you do the math, it's looking very unlikely. So what can you?
I'm gonna go
Next
for
guess.
Butty's last hand.
Butty, your last hand has the object. That is a 4 guesses for Team ASCD. Not too bad. That is actually a very, very good attempt. Alright, Team ASCD, this is your object, and yes, good luck hiding. Swipe it right, so very, very good job at hiding the object. Your hands in the air, both Team ASCD. Alright, swipe it right. Can you swipe yourself 20 points? Charles?
Middle left.
Middle left, no, Yuffie? Your left hand is incorrect. Alright, that is 1 guess gone. What's your attempt?
PJ's left hand.
PJ, your left hand. As the oh, that is good game indeed. Swipe it right, you've done it, you've earned your team 20 points. and that is it for Gaga. Ladies and gentlemen, we have many more rounds to come back and many more rounds for Po Po Mano'o. We'll be right back after this short commercial break. Hey there, welcome back to another edition, or there's another round of Po Po Mano'o, the round where I take my fellow contestants window shopping. I'm going to show them an item and they are to guess how much the item costs. The closest item without going over the actual price is awarded with 10 points. However, if both teams guess above the actual price, we still take the closest guess and that team is awarded with the 10 points. Both teams, are you ready?
Ready.
Yes.
Ready.
Top in my bus and let's go window shopping. Alright, your first item for window shopping for both teams is a semi-auto washing machine weighing at 8.5 kilograms from BSL. For this round, I'd like to take into account the store, the retailer of this item. BSL is known for selling quality goods at very, very good prices, ladies and gentlemen. Semi-auto washing machine, also sponsor for Po Po Mano'o this year, BSL, Business Systems Limited. Weighing in at 8.5 kilograms. What is an 8.5 kilograms? I think that's the limit of how much. Alright, and that is time for our teams. Your money down and your boards to the camera. Team ASCD with 590 tala and Team Swipe Right 650 tala. Very, very good guesses, but very, very underwhelming. It is 950 tala. That is 10 points for swiping right. Alright. Many questions to go, many items to go through. Your second item for window shopping is a Vailima t-shirt from Vailima. How much does this cost? The trick of the question is you're buying this t-shirt from Vailima.
Buy from my name.
A Vailima tee. You're wearing the brand, you're wearing the taste of Samoa. Vailima and their t-shirt. How much do you reckon it costs? Both teams look like they've settled, and that is time. Let's see your boards. Team SCD with 55 tala and Team Swiper Right 25 tala. The actual answer is 35 tala. That is again 10 points to Team Swipe It Right. No problem. It happens to the best of us. The pressure in the room, ladies and gentlemen, you can just feel it. Alright, your third item for window shopping is a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G compatible from Digicel. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G compatible from Digicel. So you're buying this phone from Digicel, and if you're interested in handling a device like so, then do head down to Digicel to see if you can purchase one of these fine phones. One of Samsung's flagship phones for the last year or so. And that is time. Let's see your boards and let's show the audience what you think. 1,990 tala from Team ASCD and 1,550 tala from Team Swipe It Right. Both answers are very, very underwhelming. The actual price is 4,499 tala. That is 10 points for your team, Samoa and ASCD. Alright, we have three items left, and they read as follows. Your next item is a 15.6-inch Dell i7 laptop from DSL. The specs is a 512 gigabyte HDD with 16 gigabytes of RAM. I hope that helps with how much you price this. So it's a very, very fast machine. It can handle a lot of things. 16 gigabyte RAM with 500 gigabyte HDD. For me, that is a very, very well put together machine. Dell i7 that has a 15.6 inch from BSL. BSL, again, a sponsor for Po Po Mano'o. Time! Time. All right, this fine mechanism. What do you price to that, Team ASCD? 1,400 tala, and Team Swiper Right with 1,580 tala. All right, the actual price is 4,900 tala. That is 10 points for Tracy and her team. Swiper Right. All right, yes. The specs of the machine is actually very, very powerful. 16 gigabytes RAM is not something you see in every computer. So do check it out if you are interested and have works that need this type of power. Your next item is a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Digicel. A Samsung Galaxy Note 20 from Digicel. Again, you're purchasing this phone from Digicel. Also a sponsor for Po Po Mano'o, fastest mobile network in Samoa, with their current campaigns, the Freedom Campaign. Freedom to be you, freedom to travel, freedom to love, freedom to watch TV at 8 p.m. every Wednesday for Po Po Mano'o. Alright. ASCD have settled with their price, and Swiper Right still. That is the time. That is the bell. That is the time. Team ASCD, please, with 2,600 tala. Team Swiper Right with 2899 tala. The price of the item is 3,999 tala. The closest guess. Team Swiper Right. That is 10 points again. Okay, our teams. The last item for window shopping. Please listen carefully. This is a 10 points for your team. A 22-inch Samsung monitor from BSL. A 22-inch Samsung monitor from BSL. So just the monitor, take into account the brand and the place you're purchasing it from, BSL. If you are a future team, so fast, all right. Time is not on our side today. Team ASCD, please, 3,500 tala for a monitor and 250 tala from Swiper Right. The actual answer is 750 tala for just the Samsung monitor from BSL. That is again 10 points for Tracy and her team. Thank you very much, Team ASCD, and for that attempt window shopping. We'll be back at Po Po Mano'o with more rounds and more excitement. Here we go. Well, hey there, we're back with Po Po Mano'o with another round. The round that is Charades. Charades is played exactly how it has always been played for the longest time, alright? The first attempt at Charades is Team ASCD with To'oa as the first actress. To'oa, would you please make your way to our stage? To our acting stage, alright. To'oa. Okay, To'oa, that is your word. Yeah.
Okay, just let me know when to start.
Settled. All right, To'oa is settled. To'oa's word is in English and it is a thing. It is in English and it is a thing. To'oa in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action.
Marching.
She's
Marching band.
It's correct, yes! Let's go! PJ with the closer, right? Yeah! Thank you very much, Team ASCD. Once you go Swipe it right with their attempt and also Charades. Let's go! That's the vibe! That's the vibe we're going for. Alright, we got the big man Roboti for his attempts, Charades for their team Swipe it right. Okay, Bati, your word. Oh. Okay, Bati. Bati has settled into his word. The word is in English. It is a movie character. It is in English and it is a movie character. And Bati in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Show me your moves.
Germany.
No.
James Bond.
No noise. James Bond is correct. Yes. Easy correct. Oh, come on, Bati. We're back at him, Team ASCD. Oh, we got the PJ. The big guy, PJ. Sorry, man. Okay, yo. PJ, my man, your word. Yes, alright. PJ's got his word. PJ's word is in English, it is an action. English and it is an action. PJ, your time starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. PJ.
Rugby. Surfing?
It's correct! Yes! So, with the clutch again. Alright, thank you very much, Team ASCD. I'll call you once more for your last intake charade. Then Tracy. Is Tracy the spearhead? Or it seems to be for Team Swipe Right, Tracy. Your word. Now, let's see if Tracy's in trouble, alright? Tracy's word is in Samoan, it is a mea whaitanga, it is in Samoan, it is a mea whaitanga. Tracy in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action. Come on team, come on boys.
Tamafa.
No.
Coffee.
You have limited time, you don't have... Rapid fire. Oh no! Barnacles, alright. Tracy, please can you announce your word for our viewers at home? Ayuku.
Oh my goodness.
Ayuku. Okay, Tracy's word is ayuku. Oh, okay. Sorry, Tracy, that was unfortunate for your attempt. Alright, Team ASCD, please, for your last attempt. ASCD, you are on fire for this round. You know, your word. How about that? She didn't even blink. Alright, Arietta. Arietta's word is in Samoan. It is a mea whaitanga. It is in Samoan. It is a mea whaitanga. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The stage is yours.
So hi Nikki.
Oh no.
Kar pea. Kar malu.
Yes! Hold it right there, Toa. You've earned your team 10 points. Congratulations. Alright, that is ASCD with their charades attempt. Yes, Team Swipe It Right with your last actor. We are Afa, the strong player from Team Swipe It Right. That is your word. Oh my god, is what he said. Oh my god, it says Afa. Afa's word is in English, it is a movie title. It is in English, it is a movie title. To narrow down your guesses, alright, Afa in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Action.
Cinderella.
No! It's... I know where you're coming from. Oh no! Hey, Afa, do you mind? Can you announce your word for the? Is Men in Black? Good game. That is the. So yes, Team Swipe It Right did not win 10 points for that attempt. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of charades. We'll be back with more rounds, more excitement on Po Po Mano'o. And from Charades City, we're now here at Bad Translations, the 4th round for Po Po Mano'o. Ladies and gentlemen, I am here with our two teams with their attempt at Bad Translation. Bad Translations works like so. I am to give you a grammatically incorrect sentence, and you are to make sense of the bad translation. Doing so will earn your team 10 points. However, if you do it incorrectly, you give the opposing team 5 points if they answer it correctly afterwards. Again, it's a race to the buzzer. So first team to the buzzer gets the opportunity to answer the bad translation. Here it goes. Your first bad translation. Be careful of the killer clown in the movie Leia. Yes. Is correct. Thank you. Thank you very much, Toa. That is very, very correct. 10 points for your team. Second bad translation. Who sings the new hit song Tao Philo Lima? Yes, it is.
Oh my head.
No. Steal for 5 points. Sorry, PJ.
Repeat the question.
Yes, who sings the new hit song Tao Philo Lima?
I think I heard it.
A while ago.
Can you give a hint?
Oh, and that is time. Sorry, Tracy. Swipe it right. The answer is Lady Gaga. BJ said hold my hand. Hold my hand is the song. Well, we needed the artist. Alright. But good go at it. Alright, no point awarded to either team. Next, bad translation. Chris Tucker stars in the blockbuster movie Itu Love This.
Rush Hour.
Is correct. Yes, another 10 points. Well awarded to Team ASCD. The next bad translation. While heading to Kauai on Cross Island Road, we passed Sleepy Mountain in Nafiamalu. Swipe it right.
Mongofiamu.
Is correct. Yes, 10 points for your team. Oh, your team. That is 10 points. All right. We have 2 bad translations left to go. Next bad translation. In 2006, Nelly Furtado was a real Aitamalo. Swipe it right.
Man eater.
It's correct. Yes. Yes. Those are the jams. You might want to revisit those days and listen to that song again. But the last bad translation is fans are still buzzing about the season 4 finale of the Netflix show.
Stranger Things.
It's correct, yes, ASCD. Yes, Samoa. Then you got a childhood, so you already knew that, alright. But that is the conclusion for bad translation. More excitement. Po Po Mano'o. Spelling bee. The 5th round spelling bee. It is played like the toss-up rules. The first team to buzz in and spell the word correctly is a word with 10 points. However, if you spell incorrectly, the opposing team is given the chance to steal 5 points. Both our teams understand the rules for this game, and let's move on to our first word for spelling bee. The first word for spelling bee is angaba. Swipe it right. Is correct. Well done, Charles. You've earned your team 10 points. Yes, your next word is a special word. So much so that you are awarded with an hour massage at Ava Spa if you spell it correctly. A race to the buzzer, ladies and gentlemen. You don't want to miss out on this 1 hour massage. The word is insignificant. Swipe it right.
INSIGNIFICANT.
This is yours, Charles, and you earned your team 10 points for that. Remember, it's a race to the buzzer. You are not penalized. You're not.
Testing.
No, testing. So you won't be penalized if you answer or if you press the buzzer and answer incorrectly. The next word for spelling bee. Fa'ayuwina. ASCD.
Fa'a komaliwa komaliu inua.
Is correct. Well done, sir. You earned your team 10 points. Right. The next word for spelling bee is wheelbarrow. ASCD.
WHEELBARROW.
That was 10 points for you. And your team. Well done. All right. The next word for spelling bee is see you for football. Swipe it right. Oh, unfortunately, Charles, that was incorrect. I apologize for that. Yes, to steal 5 points, Team ASCD.
Sa komaliu fa'o nua. The thing that
That is. I'm sorry, Team ASCD. No and Ga makes the biggest difference in spelling bee. All right. You were almost there. You almost crossed the finish line, but that is also incorrect. And we all know why it is not instead of N. All right. No points is awarded to either team. That was very frustrating for that word. But the last word, our teams to earn 10 points for your tally of points. Delicate. ASCD.
DELICATE.
Again, to all that is 10 points for your team. Well done. Yes, that is the conclusion of the spelling bee. We'll be back with the final round, the deciding round, lightning round. Ladies and gentlemen, don't go anywhere. We'll be back on Po Po Mano'o. We are at our last and final round, which is the lightning round, the deciding round for who walks away the winner of today's Po Po Mano'o game show. Alright, we have here Team Swiper Right, Charles, Rabati, and Afa with their attempt at lightning round. Very favorable right now to win, but you never know with these games, alright? You just never know. Alright, Charles, the pressure seems to be on you, so I'd like to ask you something. Do you have a message you want to give out to any of the viewers?
I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and also thanks to our office for supporting us and to our families. Go Team Swipe Right.
Swipe Right. All right. Let's see if you can and swipe this home with the victory. All right. Charles, your attempt at lightning round. Yes or no, did Jennifer Hudson win American Idol?
No.
At what temperature Celsius does water freeze?
Minus 100.
In what language was most of the New Testament given?
Pass.
What fruit was in Samoa first, the bee or papaya?
B.
What is the largest US state?
Alaska.
The Taj Mahal is in what country?
India.
What is the name of the princess in Disney's The Princess and the Frog?
Tiana.
How many people were on Noah's Ark?
300.
True or false, the cacao tree or cocoa is native to the Samoan Islands?
False.
How many years in a millennium?
1000.
In what month did Samoa achieve independence in 1962?
January.
What does a caterpillar change into?
Butterfly.
True or false, a Samoan driver's license lists marital status?
False.
Which village is further west, Fastouta or Fastoutai?
First side.
How many capital cities does South Africa have?
1.
Thank you very much, Charles, Robati, and Alpha for their attempt at the lightning round. Hey there, we're back here at Po Po Mano'o with our team ASCD with their attempt at lightning round. We have Samoa, PJ, and Arietta to represent their team. And on the deciding round for Po Po Mano'o to see who walks home as the winner of today's Po Po Mano'o game show and progresses into other rounds of Po Po Mano'o. All right, so you seem to be the main girl for lightning round. Do you have anything you want to say to the viewers at home or any message? PJ, Arietta, you guys?
No, thank you.
Oh, agriculture is awesome.
Agriculture is
Yes.
awesome. You heard it here first on TV5, you have the channel. Ladies and gentlemen, okay, that's it. No jokes. Your last chance at redemption for Po Po Mano'o lightning round. Are you ready?
Yes.
PJ, are you ready?
Ready.
Arietta, are you ready?
Sir.
Alright, your first question. Yes or no, did Jennifer Hudson win American Idol?
Yes.
At what temperature Celsius does water freeze?
0.
In what language is most of the New Testament given?
Hebrew.
What fruit was in Samoa first, the bee or papaya?
Papaya.
What is the largest US state?
Texas.
The Taj Mahal is in what country?
India.
What is the name of the princess in Disney's The Princess and the Frog?
Tatiana.
How many people were on Noah's Ark?
5.
True or false, the cacao tree or cocoa is native to the Samoan Islands?
Sorry, can you? True.
How many years in a millennium?
1000.
In what month did Samoa achieve independence in 1962?
June.
What does a caterpillar change into?
A butterfly.
True or false, a Samoan driver's license lists marital status?
False.
Which village is further west, Fastouta or Fastoutai?
Fastouta.
How many capital cities does South Africa have?
1.
True or false, Tasmania is a separate country from Australia?
False.
And that is your time. Thank you very much to all PJ and Arietta for your attempt at lightning round. A very wonderful attempt, but we'll see you again when we tally up the points and see who goes home the winner for today's Po Po Mano'o game show. Talfa to our viewers at home watching Po Po Mano'o. I'm here with both our teams. First, before I announce the winner for today's game, we're going to go over our lightning round answers and everyone's attempt at lightning round. All right, question number 1, yes or no, did Jennifer Hudson win American Idol? ASCD said yes, Swipe Right said no. The answer is no. At what temperature Celsius does water freeze? ASCD said 0, Swipe said -100. The answer is 0. In what language was most of the New Testament given? ASCD Hebrew, Swipe Greek. The answer is Greek. What fruit was in Samoa first, the V or papaya? ASCD with papaya, Swipe with V. The answer is V. What is the largest US state? ASCD with Texas and Swipe with Alaska. The answer is Alaska. The Taj Mahal is in what country? Both answered India. Both answered India. The answer is yes, India. What is the name of the princess in Disney's The Princess and the Frog? ASCD said Tatiana. And Swipe said Tiana. The answer is Tiana. How many people were on Noah's Ark? ASCD said 5. Swipe said 300. the wrong movie. We're watching the wrong movie, alright. But the answer is 8 people on Noah's Ark. True or false, like a cacao tree or cocoa is native to the Samoan Islands. ASCD true, Swipe said false. The answer is false. It's actually South America. How many years in the millennium? Both answered 1000. The answer is 1000. In what month did Samoa achieve independence? In 1962. ASCD with June. Swipe with January. The answer is January. What does a caterpillar change into? Both answered a butterfly. Butterfly is the answer. True or false, a Samoan driver's license lists marital status. Both answered false. The answer is false. Which village is further west, Fastouta or Fastoutai? ASCD with Uta and Swipe with Tai. The answer is Fastoutai. How many capital cities does South Africa have? Both answered 1. The actual answer is 3. There are 3 capital cities in South Africa. Unfortunately, this is where Swiper Right's attempt was halted due to time restraints. But ASCD progressed furthermore. And the last question they answered was true or false, Tasmania is a separate country from Australia. They answered false, and false is the correct answer. That is where both our teams have halted. The points come in, the tally is in, the points have been calculated. Team ASCD, you've amounted 190 points. That's a very, very attempt at Po Po Mano'o. And Swipe Your Rights with actually record high points of 305 points. Winner of today's trivia game is team Swipe It Right. Alright, yay. Swipe It Right has won today's first Po Po Mano'o game show. Yes, Swipe It Right has won today's Po Po Mano'o game show, but don't be downhearted, ASCD. We are still taking you guys into account for further rounds of Po Po Mano'o. We would love to see you in our grand final. You will all be compensated then, and you are also compensated now with lovely prizes from Lima, which is waiting you outside the door. But yes, that is it from me and lovely contestants from Po Po Mano'o. We'll see you same time, same place next week on TV5 on Po Po Mano'o.